It's a big day for national capital Delhi. Delhi is set to have at least the announcement of the Delhi Chief Minister. Tomorrow is the oath ceremony. BJP Legislature Party meeting is set to elect the Leader of House this evening. Preparations are meanwhile also on for tomorrow's oath ceremony, 20th February. Full swing at the historic Ramlila grounds in Delhi. Now, at 7 p.m. this evening, the BJP's Legislative Party meeting will be organised. The party's national leadership will appoint an observer. They want to oversee the meeting during which MLAs will elect their leader. Will it be a unanimous decision or could there be discussions on that? Following this, the elected leader of the House, BJP MLAs, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva will visit the Raj Niwas, the governor's house, the secretariat, to formally stake claim to form the government in Delhi. Now, remember, there are some probable names, front runners, given how the calculations have been. Parvesh Verma, because he defeated Arvind Kejriwal. There's a senior leader like Ashish Sood. There's also a woman CM face like Rekha Gupta and some others as well. But knowing the BJP, could there be one of them or a completely different new surprise name? Chief Minister and the entire cabinet will take oath at 11 a.m. 20th February tomorrow at Ramlila grounds, where the oath ceremony will be attended by PM Modi, union ministers, other dignitaries. We are told a massive crowd of the cadre supporters are expected, but also about 40 celebrities have been invited.
जनता और दिल्ली के कार्यकर्ताओं में अलग उत्साह है। उस उत्साह की तैयारी भी उतने ही बड़े स्केल पे चल रही है। हजारों लाखों की संख्या में दिल्ली के कार्यकर्ता और दिल्ली की जनता रामलीला ग्राउंड में आने वाली है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी भी वहां रहेंगे। बाकी तमाम एनडीए के नेता भी वहां रहेंगे और बाकी जो हमारे नए मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे और मंत्रिमंडल वो तो सब होंगे ही, पर अलग उत्साह और जोश है क्योंकि आपदा को दिल्ली से हटाया है।
देखिए, दिल्ली को बदलने वाली सरकार, दिल्ली से गंदगी हटाने वाली सरकार, दिल्ली से गंदा पानी, गंदी हवा और यमुना जी को साफ करने वाली सरकार, दिल्ली के भविष्य को बचाने वाली सरकार मिलने जा रही है। मेरे को बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि दिल्ली अब बदलाव देखेगी। एक जनरेशन जो थी 12 साल की, उस जनरेशन ने केवल गंदगी और बहाने और झूठ देखे हैं। अब उनको भी एहसास होगा कि दिल्ली कैसी सुंदर होनी चाहिए थी, अब वो दिखेगी आपको।
Right, Piyush Mishra joining me from the BJP headquarters in Delhi. Piyush, good morning. So finally the day is here. There was a lot of suspense. What are you picking up about the meeting, the timings, who all will be there? Tell us more.
Well, absolutely, Pooja, like you rightly mentioned that yes, finally the day is here, and after 10 days we are now seeing that BJP's legislature party meeting to take place today in the evening, and for that the preparations have been completed. Right now I'm reporting from right outside Delhi BJP office where this meeting will take place, and you can see as to how huge entry gates have also been erected here. Delhi mein BJP Sarkar is also written on this huge poster which has been pasted right in front of the entry gate of Delhi BJP office. For media persons, there is a special enclosure also has been temporary makeshift arrangements have also been made here for media people. If I ask my video journalist Nasir, he can try to pan his camera and show you the visuals. You can see as to all special arrangements have been made for media persons. So media will not be allowed inside for this meeting, which is also to take place today in the evening. And there are multiple names, Pooja, on which the Bharatiya Janata Party is having discussions on, like Parvesh Verma, Rekha Gupta, Vijendra Gupta, Ashish Sood, Mohan Singh Bisht. All these are veteran BJP leaders, and all these have also got a huge experience. So BJP is going to keep a lot of things in mind before deciding upon the name of next Chief Minister. For that, in the last around 10 days, we have also seen multiple meetings taking place, but final decision will be taken today evening.
All right, Piyush, keep tracking all the latest. I already see flags and banners. The badlav that BJP Sarkar had promised by the centre for Delhi, is that coming? Because it's a lot of responsibility also on the shoulders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, now set to begin a double-engine Sarkar. Piyush, thank you very much for now.